some tools right there.
Hey, sometimes that's all you got. Money don't come free, you know.
You are taking handouts though.
Yep, sure.
You're gonna need them after you took this project on. 3.3 liter.
He's 6. Right in there. The big 3 power. We'll hook it up to the battery. I hate this part. Oh, hey, right? What you do to me? Oh, green! Alright, that was the thing, right? Oh, it goes over here. That's why it didn't work right. It go over here. Alright, we'll get that fixed up right now. Yeah, we don't need no bolt. That will hold that down beautifully. Alright, plan B. 62. Can't screw on that bolt no more. We're gonna add some wire. You see it?
I see it.
I thought you were gonna like grab it.
I can't get back there. I can't get back there. I'm too fat.
You're not fat, you're hefty.
I'm fat. Oh, broke the back. Broke the back door panel. What's up, Smoke?
Oh, not that much. Okay, push.
Fit for takeoff.
Done. Now we take this. We just go like this. Bam! What's up? We gotta find a hole in the firewall. Still don't feel like it's bolted down. Oh, we just be testing the RCAs. Make sure that they're good before we run it. That wasn't a good sound. They all work. We got continuity through them all. Tie wrap the RCAs onto a snaking device so we can shove it through the little pipe. Back there, Timmy? Oh shit, I cut the RCA wire. Do it again.
Did you really?
Alright, now we gotta get the C-ring.